Marquez and
Cameron.
for our at-home science experiment today.
Hi.
Okay. For our at-home science experiment today, we need you to determine if this is a chemical or a physical change. So these are the materials that we need. Cameron, go ahead and point to them. We need, we have a chopstick. That's what we use for stirring. You need any color food coloring. We've used so much that the only color we have left is green. You need some Alka-Seltzer tablets or a generic version. You can get them at the grocery store. They're not too expensive. You also need some cooking oil. Please ask vegetable oil. Please ask your parents before you use the vegetable oil. You will also need some water. You will also need a measuring cup and a clear container to do your experiment. And this is actually a container from jelly, and we cleaned it out and we used it when we were finished with our jelly. Those are the materials that you will need for your at-home science experiment. All right, we actually did this experiment last year during school closures. We made a lava lamp, but I'm not sure how many of you saw the experiment, so we're going to do it again. You can always do your experiments more than once because it's always fun to do them more than one time to see if you get the same result. Okay, so Cameron's gonna take the water and pour it into our jar. And then he's gonna take the food coloring and put the food coloring into the jar.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Put as many drops as you want. If you wanted a light color, use just a few drops.
Blue.
If you want it to be a darker color, use you use more drops.
It looks normal green.
All right, now Cameron's gonna take the vegetable oil and he's gonna measure out about a cup of oil into our measuring cup. And when he's done measuring it, he's gonna pour it on top of the water. That's good.
It's a little bit under there.
It doesn't have to be exactly measured. Okay, go ahead and pour it in with the water.
Yes.
You guys will notice that the oil goes to the top because it's less dense than the water. Okay. So, before we drop our Alka-Seltzer tablet in, we want you to make a prediction. What do you predict is going to happen when we put this into the jar? All right, Cameron, go ahead and, go ahead and drop it in. Look at that, we have made our own homemade lava lamps.
Whoa. This looks cool.
All right, Atom scientists, we can't wait to hear about your experiment.